Alright ladies, this is important. So if you're not a lady, go ahead and swipe on. Look, if your man doesn't cook for you, and I mean really throw down in the kitchen, not frozen pizza or ramen noodles, look, I'm not going to tell you to leave him, because that's your business, like Tabitha say, but at least send him my page so I can put him on game.
Короче, засекай. Ложишь 2 яичка, 2 ложки молока, колбасочка, сырочек, помидорки, зеленушка. Солишь, перчишь, вертишь. И ложим в микруху на 3 минутки. И ждем. Ждем, ждем. Готово. Балдежный завтрак за 5 минут. Готов.
Corn, onion, jalapeno, and cilantro. Together, they make Chipotle's roasted lime juice. Together, they make Chipotle's medium roasted corn salsa.
Короче, сосиску нарезаешь, помидорку нарезаешь, петрушку нарезаешь, булку разрезаешь, мякиш доставаешь, соус покладаешь, сосисочки кидаешь, помидорки добавляешь, петрушкой перцем посыпаешь, сыр кидаешь, крышкой накрываешь, в духовку убираешь, 15 минут ожидаешь, вот что получаешь, за раз все съедаешь. Офигеваешь.
Asli deh guys, ini tuh lebih enak dari kentang McD dong. Ini churros tahu. Resepnya, hancurkan 4 buah tahu, tambahkan 6 SDM tepung tapioka, lalu tambahin 1 sendok teh baking powder dan beri penyedap rasa sesuai selera. Kemudian masukkan adonan ke dalam plastik segitiga, goreng di minyak yang panas. Nah, kalau misalnya lengket, kalian pisah-pisahin ya. Setelah mengering dan warnanya menguning, bisa diangkat dan beri bumbu tabur sesuai selera.
People keep asking me to make this. Ew. I can do that.
Baking sheet parchment.
Half pound the hazelnut.
Oven. 350.
10 to 15 minutes.
Till roasting, their skin start to peel off like that.
Let them cool completely. Put your nuts in a towel. Wrap it up. Shake them around.
To remove skins.
So food processor.
Nuts.
Process.
Till it starts to liquefy.
1 cup powdered sugar. 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Pinch of soap. And again.
2 tablespoons of oil. 2 ounces of milk chocolate.
Finely chopped.
In. Last time. Till smooth.
Put that into a vessel. Woo-wee.
What is this?
Is that Nutella?
You're goddamn right it is.
Today we're making Olive Garden's breadsticks, but 10 times better. And if you want the recipe for the chicken gnocchi soup, it's in my last video. But to get started, you want 1 cup of warm water. You're gonna add 2 teaspoons of yeast, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and mix and set aside. In your mixer bowl attachment, you're gonna add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons salt, and 3 tablespoons olive oil. After you let your yeast mixture sit for 10 minutes, go ahead and add it in last. You want to knead your dough for 10 minutes, add it to an oiled bowl, and let it rest for 1 hour. 1 hour later, you want to dust your countertop with some flour. Pat your dough ball down gently, and you want to cut out 10 breadsticks. You're basically going to cut them into long strips and then cut the long strips in half. And you want to roll them out very gently, tapering the ends. The less you touch them, the better they're going to come out. You're going to cover with a towel and let them rest for another 15 minutes. Add them to an oiled baking sheet, and we're going to brush on some egg wash. For my egg wash, I only used 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of water. Bake at 365 for 10 minutes. Brushing on 5 tablespoons of melted butter, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and dry parsley, and we're done.
Chocolate chip frap. 1/2 cup vanilla ice cream. 1 cup ice. 1/4 cup chocolate chips. 1/2 cup milk. 1 tablespoon chocolate syrup. Blend. Drizzle chocolate syrup. Also add more chocolate syrup. Add caramel. Blend again. Pour into cup. Whipped cream. Straw. Yum.
Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets. Start with that chicken breast, and cut it into inch-thick cubes. You know, approximately. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now set it into a bowl and cover it in pickle juice. That's going to be our brine. Now for the dredge, we're going to use flour, cornstarch, panko breadcrumbs, a tablespoon of powdered sugar, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Egg wash is simple. A single egg, salt and pepper, whisk it. That's your egg wash. Then after at least 20 minutes, take the chicken out of the pickle juice and dry them. And then it goes egg wash, dredge, and repeat. Do that for all the pieces of chicken. Then get our oil ready. Fill it up about under halfway for the pan. And bring it up to heat. Check with the chopstick and throw them in. Remember, if the oil gets a little too crazy, you could always turn down the heat to bring it under control. Then get your paper towel lined plate ready. After 2 or 3 minutes each side, the chicken's good. Plate it up. Serve it with some fries and you got Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets. Yes,
These are absolutely insane. Let's make Parmesan garlic chicken tenders. Start off by seasoning down your chicken cubes and going with a bunch of buttermilk. Submerge them. You want to marinate them 4 to 24 hours or until you lose patience. Now go in with some flour and a little cornstarch. Now heavily season it with your favorite seasoning. Don't forget the salt so it's not bland. Now transfer half that mixture to another bowl. And now go in with a bunch of panko breadcrumbs. Now we have the marinated chicken, some of the dry batter, a seasoned egg wash, now the dry batter with the panko breadcrumb. I'm telling y'all, these boys are about to be crispy. Now take your chicken, go into the dry batter, back into the egg wash, and now into the panko mixture. And now fry. To some melted butter, roast down a bunch of minced garlic. These are so crispy, it's crazy. Remember, you could do these with the whole chicken tender. For the sauce, use some mayo, thyme leaves, your roasted garlic, chili flakes, and a bunch of Parmesan cheese. And now go in with your tenders or nuggets. And now we have final product. Now, bismillah.
Ajo, sal, tomillo, orégano, pimientas, comino, jengibre, chile guajillo, chile puya, vinagre, pierna de borrego, cubrimos con el adobo, penca de maguey. Nos vemos en unas horas. Chile morita, chile guajillo, chile jalapeño, chile serrano, jitomate, agua, tomatillo, sal, clavo, pimienta, comino, cilantro, cebolla. La bañamos de salsa.
Easy breakfast sandwich. Crisp the bacon. Get 2 eggs, add green onions, some black pepper, and some milk. Now mix that up. Whip, whip, whip. Whip it. Butter a pan. Really good. Add the egg. Now the bread. And the other piece. Give it a couple minutes. Then flip it like a flapjack. Ooh. Ah. Now add some cheese. Let's make it real cheesy, you guys. Then add the bacon. Okay, let's cut it into a couple pieces. Look at those grill marks. Take that excess egg off and voila.
Bye.